Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve question number 1. The question name is Tucson. It is very famous and very easy question. It question is very beginner friendly and most of people started solving the lead code. It question is whose person's first question. The question is given an array of integer nums and an integer target return indices of the two numbers such that they add up to target. You may assume that each input would have exactly one solution and you may not ask the same element twice. You can return the answer in any order. Means which is example we first of all we have see a visual example. Uh, you can see this is our array and we have iterate in array and return the target value is 9, then we have written any two particular element which sum is equals to 9 index means any two elements sum is 9 means 9 is 7 and 2 means 9, then we have written index of 2 and index of sum means 0 and 1. So we have see why we have used brute force efforts. First of all, we have stop I in zeroth index and stop j in zeroth index. Iterate with the help of j in index, and if any values are not matched, then we have moved to I and then start with j to its value. So first of all, we have checked if our target is 13, then what is our answer? Then we have j is moved. It is not 7 plus 2 is not equal to 13. 3 plus 4 is 3 plus 2 is not equals to 13. It is not 13. 4 plus 2 is not equals to 13. 6 plus 2 is not equals to 13 and 5 plus 2 is not equals to 13. Then we have moved j to this value and I to this value. Then we have 6 sorry j and I is not equals to. First of all we have checked this condition. I and j 7 and plus 3 is not equals to 3 not equals to 13. 7 plus 4 is not equals to 13 but 7 plus 6 is equals to 13. So we have written index of this means 1 and 0 1 2 3 and 4 means then we have written array who has 1 and 4. This is our answer. So now we are going to solving the question. First of all we have created vector integer array integer check. Why we have used check is now later we have used ask. First of all we have used for loop for iteration I equals to 0, I is less than nums dot size of and second for loop if nums of I plus nums of j equals to target, then we have returned now. Then we have push array dot push back index of I comma push index of j and then check equals to true, and then break. We have used a check equals to true because first for loop are break, then second for loop are also break. Then we have add this condition if check means true, then break means it is not continuous running. So break, and then last we have return array. So we have to see first of all our examples. Our all examples are passed. So we have check more cases, edge cases, and text cases. Our all test cases are passed. So this is a very basic implementation and very basic solution. It is a brute force approach which is very basic. So this is a beginner friendly question. It is very simple question. So thank you for watching my YouTube video.